The rigid K4310 FXP drum machine, powered by the innovative FXP technology platform, represents the pinnacle of drum machine performance. This robust and durable tool, equipped with a high-powered brushless DC motor capable of spinning at up to 230 RPMs, efficiently handles even the most stubborn blockages. Its quick-change drum, cable counter for real-time feedback, and cordless operation make it a highly productive choice for professional plumbers and contractors, reducing downtime, enhancing safety, and ensuring customer satisfaction. This machine stands as a valuable addition to any plumbing professional's toolkit, offering best-in-class performance to conquer challenging jobs. The Makita 40V Max XGT brushless 1/2 inches mixer, driven by its brushless motor, offers outstanding power and versatility for various mixing tasks. With a capable speed of up to 650 revolutions per minute, it handles even the thickest materials with ease, thanks to its variable speed control that allows for precise adjustments. Boasting an ergonomic design for user comfort, a soft start for smooth operation, and an integrated LED light to illuminate the workspace, this mixer offers a superior mixing experience. Additionally, it is compatible with all Makita 40V Max XGT batteries, making it a practical choice for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts due to its combination of power, durability, and user-friendliness. The Fine Versa Mag system introduces a remarkable level of flexibility to clamping with its mobile magnetic clamping tool. Powered by a potent permanent magnet that offers an impressive 7,800 Newton of holding force, it can securely clamp even thin sheet metals, starting from 4 mm thickness. The modular and expandable design makes it versatile for various clamping needs and suitable for workpieces on magnetic surfaces, including vertical or confined spaces. Operating the Versa Mag system is straightforward. Position the magnet on the workpiece and engage the clamping knob to activate the magnet, ensuring a secure hold, even with heavy or unwieldy materials. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Jigsaw is a powerful and precise job site tool. It offers the fastest 12-volt blade speed under load, versatile control in various positions, and clear-cut line visibility. The brushless motor and intelligent technology ensure 3,000 strokes per minute, with 7/8 of an inch stroke length for clean cuts. Its ergonomic design and compact size enhance control in both standard and inverted positions. The saw includes an LED light and dust blower for better visibility, 5 orbital action adjustments, a variable speed dial, toolless blade changes, and a durable aluminum baseplate with bevel detents. Plus, it comes with a 5-year limited power tool warranty. The Makita 18V LXT brushless high-speed blower inflator, XSA01, is a versatile tool designed for various applications, including clearing dust and debris from surfaces, inflating items like air mattresses and pool toys, cleaning gutters and downspouts, and drying wet areas. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers impressive airflow at 447 miles per hour and 39 CFM. The tool offers 4 digitally controlled speed settings for customized airflow to match different tasks. It comes with 5 nozzles for different purposes: a flat nozzle for clearing flat surfaces, a round nozzle for inflating, a wide nozzle for gutter cleaning, a turbo nozzle for heavy debris, and a pin nozzle for drying. The XSA01 is compact, lightweight, and comfortable to use thanks to its rubberized soft grip. The Ryobi USB Lithium Power Scrubber Kit offers a compact yet powerful solution for efficient cleaning. With 2 speed settings and a maximum of 300 revolutions per minute, it empowers you to tackle even the most challenging cleaning tasks with ease. This scrubber is versatile and compatible with all Ryobi cleaning hex shank accessories, including a range of bristle types and sponge and scour pads. The kit includes a 2 inches medium bristle brush, ideal for cleaning various surfaces like tile, granite, and fiberglass. Moreover, its IPX7 water resistance rating ensures it can be submerged in up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes without issue. This lightweight and ergonomic scrubber is designed for everyday cleaning, offering confidence and convenience. The Ryobi 18V 1+ HP Swift Clean Mid-Size Spot Cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool suitable for various surfaces. such as carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. Its brushless motor provides exceptional suction, outperforming traditional spot cleaners with up to 4 times more power. This spot cleaner offers 2 attachments, including a brush roll for carpets and upholstery, and a crevice tool for tight spaces. Additionally, it boasts a built-in water tank and detergent dispenser, streamlining the cleaning process. The convenience extends to its cordless design, allowing usage without the need for a nearby power source. In summary, this spot cleaner excels in its powerful suction, versatility, ease of use, and cordless operation, making it a valuable cleaning companion. The Ryobi 18-volt ONE+ system offers an impressive solution with the 18-volt ONE+ HP 220 CFM compact brushless blower kit. This blower features Ryobi's ONE+ HP technology, uniting a potent brushless motor, advanced electronics, and high-performance lithium technology to generate up to 220 CFM and 140 miles per hour of airspeed. It excels in handling tough surfaces such as garages, patios, and vehicles. Remarkably compact and lightweight, this tool maintains its powerful performance while weighing less than 4 pounds. With 2 extension tubes that can be combined for extended reach and various nozzle options for different applications, this blower offers versatility for all your needs. It's also equipped with a variable speed trigger for precise control, and a lock-on trigger for continuous operation without constant pressure on the trigger, making it an excellent addition to Ryobi's compact series. The Milwaukee MX Fuel 20 Plate Compactor stands out as a robust and versatile tool suitable for a range of compaction tasks. These include compacting soil, sand, and gravel for various projects such as foundations, patios, and walkways, as well as asphalt for driveways and parking lots, concrete for sidewalks and curbs, and even trenches for utilities and drainage. Its powerful brushless motor generates up to 6,000 VPM of compaction force, while the forward and reverse function ensures ease of maneuvering around obstacles. Designed for user convenience, the compactor features a simple push-button start and strategically positioned controls on the handles. Despite its power, it remains lightweight and compact, enhancing portability and effectiveness in tight spaces. The Milwaukee MX Fuel Core Rig with Stand is an indispensable tool renowned for its power and versatility, catering to a wide spectrum of coring needs. Its applications encompass coring concrete for slabs, foundations, and walls, coring asphalt for driveways and parking lots, coring brick and masonry for creating doorways and windows, and coring metal for various pipes and conduits. The core rig derives its strength from a brushless motor capable of delivering up to 2,000 revolutions per minute of torque. Furthermore, the presence of a variable speed control ensures the perfect match of speed to the specific application. Notably, the core rig is equipped with a built-in stand, a feature designed to enhance control and stability during the coring process. The Milwaukee M18 Red Exterior Rotary Laser Level Kit is a robust and adaptable tool that serves a multitude of purposes in leveling tasks. Its utility extends to grading and excavating, concrete and asphalt pouring, deck and patio installation, fence and wall construction, as well as landscaping layout. The comprehensive kit comprises a rotary laser level, a receiver, a tripod, and a grade rod. Utilizing an M18 trademark battery for power, it ensures portability without requiring access to an electrical outlet. The receiver features a digital display indicating the distance from the laser beam, enabling precise adjustments to the work. The setup is straightforward and user-friendly, with one-button operation for the laser level, a clear and readable display for the receiver, and an easy-to-set-up and adjust tripod. The Wiha Double Ring Ratchet Wrench 4-in-1 is a versatile and durable tool designed to handle various tasks. With 2 ring ends, each offering 2 different sizes, this tool effectively combines 4 wrenches into one. The built-in ratchet mechanism allows for seamless turning without disengaging from the fastener, saving time and effort. Crafted from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, this wrench promises longevity, while its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip and control. A valuable addition to any toolbox, it finds utility in automotive repair, home maintenance, construction, and manufacturing, making it a versatile and indispensable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Milwaukee M18 Force Logic Single Channel Strut. Shear Kit is a powerful and versatile tool designed for shearing struts on the job site. With the convenience of M18 battery power, you can use it anywhere without the need for an electrical outlet. This kit includes the strut shear, a battery, a charger, and a carrying case. The dual die design of the strut shear eliminates exposed blades, reducing the risk of cut and laceration injuries. Additionally, it features an integrated strut support plate for quick 4-inch measurement offsets, ensuring simple and repeatable shears. Easy to operate with push-button controls, the kit is user-friendly and comes with a convenient carrying case for transport and storage. It's an ideal tool for professionals who require efficient strut shearing capabilities. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.